Nothing like Anioma state. Forget it or he will buy with it. What we know is Ukwuani state that comprises of Ukwuani land, Urhobo, Isoko land, Ikas, Araba, Orogu, Ibanke, Enuani, and Yochas. Therefore, there's nothing like Anioma state. And the state will continue to be forever in South Nigeria. Tell the Igbos to retrace their maternal home, Aboh precisely, Ndokwa East, Ukwuani. That is the real meaning and truth. This person is from Aboh. Some people from Aboh are saying that they are not Igbo people, that Aboh is not Igbo, that they are from Bini. They said that the first Obi of Aboh was a son to Oba Ozolwa of Bini. According to Bini history, Oba Ozolwa married only one wife. That woman gave birth to 2 sons only. The person they said that founded Aboh, they said that his name is Obazueme, that he is the son of Oba Ozolwa. We have checked all around Bini history for them to show us a son of Oba Ozolwa that is called Obazueme. We saw nothing. Oba Ozolwa have no son called Obazueme. You will be surprised to know that that name that they called Obazueme is originally pronounced as Obazuome. Obazuome is an Igbo name. That founder of Aboh called Obazueme, he is also known as Esume Uku. It's Esume a Bini name, no. It's the word Uku, a Bini word, no. Uku means great. In Ogume, where I come from, my village in Ogume is called Umuchime. Our ancestor that gave birth to that Umuchime is called Chime Uku. Aboh people, how come Oba Ozolwa have only 2 sons and none of his 2 sons are called Obazueme? Who is that man called Obazueme that you people are claiming that he founded Aboh? It shows that you people are just lying. Just tell us that the man that founded Aboh that you people are calling Obazueme is not the Oba of Bini's son, not the Oba Ozolwa Bona. The same way Ezechime left Bini Kingdom was the same way Akalaka left Bini Kingdom. Was the same way this man that you people are calling Obazueme left Bini Kingdom. Because Aboh people did not come out from Bini Kingdom peacefully. They ran out from that place because of war and invasion. If you say that Aboh Kingdom was founded by a son of Oba Ozolwa called Obazueme, tell us the wife of Oba Ozolwa that gave birth to that Obazueme. How many sons did Oba Ozolwa have in his life? It's only 2 sons and none of them is Obazueme. These are the sons of Oba Ozolwa. The end of Ozolwa's reign is bound with a number of important folktales in the region. It is known that he had 2 sons, Esige and Urhobo, and that at the end of his reign there was a war regarding royal succession between the 2 brothers, and Esige became the new Oba of Bini Kingdom. Now, where is Obazueme here? None. There's no of Oba Ozolwa's son called Obazueme. Who is that Obazueme that gave birth to Aboh people? Aboh people, make una tell us the truth, because your history is filled with lies. People are saying, Aboh Kingdom came from Bini, that they use Ada and Eben. Ezechime they use Ada and Eben, not be Bini man be. Ezemu that founded the Buluku Kingdom, he used Ada and Eben, but they are not Bini descendants. Ika people use Ada and Eben, they are not Bini descendants. This is Bini history that I'm reading from. Oba Ozolwa have no son called Obazueme. Where that Obazueme from come? Una not gree tell us. That name Obazueme is not Obazueme, it's Obazuome. It's an Igbo name. He gave his children Igbo names. One of his sons is called Ogwezi. The other one is called Ubo. Are those names Bini names? No. He said that what we want is not Anioma state. That what we want is Ukwuani state. And that Ukwuani state will comprise Urhobo people, Isoko people, Ika people, Ibanke people, Ukwuani people, Oshimiri people, and Yocha people. Can you imagine? This man will write this thing now, so I not get sense. Also why? Instead, he should just say that we should change the name of Delta State to Ukwuani State. Because now all the tribes where they Delta States, now him just call so for here, say make them be Ukwuani States. We are saying that we want to get Anioma State. And that Anioma State comprises of only Igbo speaking people, which is Delta North alone. The mumu they thought say make we add the Soko people, add Urhobo people for Ukwuani State, make we live Anioma State. This set of people are the problem of Ukwuani. This is the reason why Ukwuani land is backward. You want to get Ukwuani State with people that you don't speak the same language with. We dey talk say Anioma now for people that speak the same language. You want to have Ukwuani State. Our Urhobo people, Ukwuani people. Ika people, Ukwuani people. Anyocha people, Ukwuani people. Isoko people, Ukwuani people. Make them leave their name will be Ika, their name will be Oshimiri, Anyocha, Urhobo, Isoko. Make them leave those names, start to bear our own name will be Ukwuani. That name Anioma was created with Oshimiri, Anyocha, Ukwuani, and Ika. Now acronym from these names they take create that name called Anioma. Make Urhobo people and Isoko people they part of Ukwuani State. This is the reason why this man is fighting Anioma State. Just imagine a reason. He said that no matter what you post here in the platform, Igbo is still the adopted son of Aboh Kingdom, Ukwuani Ndokwa East. Aboh Kingdom, Ukwuani Ndokwa East is the original father of Eri that transcended to be Igbo. When was Aboh Kingdom founded? In this place, they said that the Aboh Kingdom was founded around 1650 AD by Obi Esumeyuku. This makes the kingdom approximately 375 years old based on the current year of 2025. This part of Aboh history said that the Aboh Kingdom was founded in 1480 AD by Oba Zweme, also known as Esumeyuku, a son of Oba Ozola of Bini. He migrated from Bini with followers to establish the town. From 1480 AD to 2025 here is just 545 years old. Aboh Kingdom is not older than this. How Aboh Kingdom will be a kingdom of yesterday go take give birth to Eri that have existed for 1,200 years. Eri is older than Oduduwa that gave birth to the first Oba of Bini. Bini Kingdom is just 900 years old. Oduduwa is just 1,000 years old. But Eri is 1,200 years old. Eri existed in 900 AD. Calculated till now is 1,200 years old. So how come Aboh Kingdom of yesterday that is just 300 years old, 500 years old can give birth to Eri that is 1,200 years old? This guy don't smoke Igbo. He don't know what they talk. Eri is older than Bini Kingdom that you people claim you migrated from. You claim that you are a descendant of Oba Zolwa. And Eri is older than Oduduwa that gave birth to Yoruba kings. He's still older than all the Obas of Bini combined. Some Ukwuani people are saying, Ukwuani is older than Igbo. Igbo people migrated from Ukwuani land. Igbo people are children to Ukwuani people. Show us archaeological evidence in Ukwuani land to show that Ukwuani is older than Igbo. None. Some of them are saying that Aboh is the oldest kingdom in Ukwuani land. Oldest kingdom that is just 500 years old. Show us archaeological evidence in Aboh Kingdom that shows that Aboh Kingdom is up to 1,000 years old. Show us an archaeological evidence from any Ukwuani community that are saying that they are older than Igbo. As una dey claim say una dey very old and ancient, say na una born Igbo, show us archaeological evidence to back it up. You have nothing to show for it. Bronze works from the southeast is showing that that place is very old and ancient, more than this our Ukwuani land. Ukwuani people are a mixture of different Igbo region. Some Ukwuani people are from Nri. Some Ukwuani people are from Arochukwu. Some Ukwuani people are from Eka land. Some Ukwuani people are from Oshimiri and Anyocha land. That was how Ukwuani land was made. Same way, Eka land, some Eka people migrated from Oshimiri and Anyocha land. Some migrated from Ukwuani land. Some migrated from the southeast. That was how Eka land was made. That was how Ukwuani land was made. The Igbo people that lived in Idu kingdom in the past, they are connected to Nri kingdom. They are connected to Eri kingdom. They are connected to every Bia speaking people. Every people that speak the same language are connected in ancestry. So not talk say, we Ukwuani people, we are just speaking Ukwuani. Why is it that Ukwuani language and dialect is the same with those across the Niger? If we not be the same people, how come we call the supreme being Chukwu, we call Watamili, we call Landane, we call culture and tradition Omenane Niodinane? How come is the same with those in the southeast, and yet you are saying that we are not one people? If you dey reason like that, you be Ozwa, you not get sense. This is the time of emancipation. We are not here to pet words with anybody. If person dey do like Ozwa, we go call that person Ozwa. If you know what they call you Ozwa, then you have to sit up and reason like a human being. You dey speak the same language with person. You dey talk say una not be brother. You say you are older than Eri, that you gave birth to Eri. And Eri is older than the Oduduwa that gave birth to the whole Oba of Bini, to other Yoruba kings. Eri is older than Bini kingdom. Eri is older than Aboh kingdom. When Eri there exists, there's nothing like Bini kingdom in this life. There's nothing like Oduduwa in this life. There's nothing like Aboh kingdom in this life. You dey carry mouth go to Eri, that's why. This is what some other Ukwuani people are reasoning. Come on, that yeye reasoning from yourselves. Igbo bofu. We Igbos are not supremacists. We for Ukwuani don't say we are older than Eka, we are older than Oshimiri and Anyocha. That name Anioma brought us together. That's why we Anioma people, we are one people, because we speak the same language. So this Ukwuani boy now, he dey feel say Ukwuani and Eka na brother. Ukwuani with Oshimiri and Anyocha na brother. But Ukwuani people and Southeast people are not brothers. Any Ukwuani person will tell me say Ukwuani and Eka, Oshimiri and Anyocha na brothers, but Ukwuani and Southeast not be brothers. I will tell you say, you Ukwuani person, stop calling me Ogume person your brother. I'm not your brother. Because if to say Ogume is located in the southeast now, you won't call me your brother. You go to not be your brother. So if me and Ukwuani person is a brother to you, another Ukwuani person, then it's expected of you to accept our people in the southeast as your brother. Now so one Ukwuani person asked me, where are you from? I told him I'm from Ogume. He say Ogume na Ukwuani na. I can't tell him Ukwuani people and southeast people are they brothers? The person tell me no, they are not brothers. I can't tell him say me and you not be brother. He say but we be Ukwuani. I say we not be Ukwuani. I not get papa where they call Ukwuani. Now I tell him say if you dey feel say me and you na brother because we dey speak the same dialect and because we dey the same states, and you can't feel say those ones where they southeast not be your brother, then me and you will not be brother. Because I'm not going to be your brother because I say we dey speak the same language, then I'll contact because of you. I'm not going to see the one way they across the Niger as my brother. It's not they possible. He stand, they look me. He shock. So that is what I will be doing now. If I see you Ukwuani person, if you ask me where from, I will say I'm from Ogume. I'm not going to tell us I be Ukwuani again. Make una know as it they feel. The name Igbo holds every Bia speaking people in this country together. They your family they talk say every Ika speaking people na Aboh people. Other Ika people they say no, say they are not Aboh, say they be Ika. Say Aboh is a community in Ika land. This Ukwuani person now, he won't force Ukwuani identity on Ika people, Oshimiri people, Anyocha people, Urhobo and Isoko people. May they start to the answer Ukwuani states. He said that it's only you in the zone to southeast. Don't include others because that's your own opinion, okay? Mind you, Ukwuani state is the father of southeast, the Igbos. Get it very clear in your skull, okay? When did that name Ukwuani came into existence? It's just few years ago. during colonial era. Now that time that name Ukwuani come into existence. The name Igbo is older than Oduduwa, is older than Bini Kingdom, is older than all Obas of Bini combined. What we Bia people are called is Ndibo, Ndebo, ancient people. Now they talk say Ukwuani is older than Igbo. Ukwuani, a name that started few years ago. No be one person born Ukwuani people. Ukwuani people are of different origin. We came together and started bearing that name Ukwuani. Ikwere people, the same thing. They came from different origins. No be one person born Ikwere people. It's just like saying that Ikwere gave birth to Igbo. Ika gave birth to Igbo. Some Ika people say that Ika is older than Igbo. And 80% of Ika people migrated from Uri Kingdom. In the past, Uri Kingdom is administering to all those Ika communities. Even up to Aboh. Because of say divide and rule, the British don't separate us, finish. Then you people no longer know where you belong. You don't know where you came from. Una dey feel say una be Bini people, una be Bini people. Our kingdom is from Uri Kingdom. In the bank, majority of them are from Aguleri in Anambra State. Mbiri in Ika is from Imo State. And so on. Instead of to embrace your Igbo identity and stand with your identity, Ika, let we Ukwuani people embrace our Igbo identity and stand with our own name, Ukwuani. Just like Nsuka people stand with their name Nsuka, Uri people stand with their name Uri, but we are all in the Igbo. Some Ukwuani communities came into existence during the time of Aboh. Some Ukwuani communities are not older than 500 years old, 300 years old, 200 years old. You dey carry kingdom of 500 years old, they compare communities, clans that are more than 5,000 years old, 10,000 years old. We Ukwuani people, we are descendants of ancient people. Ndebo. The southeast is not older than us, and we are not older than the southeast. The southeast is not older than Ika, and the Ika is not older than the southeast. Forget this Anioma state, Anambra state, Delta state, River state. We are all one people. All these things are just political boundaries. All of us are one people from the ancient fathers. If you are from Ukwuani and you are watching this video, reason again. Stop believing all this nonsense that these people are saying. We Ukwuani people, we are Igbo people. Ukwuani is not older than Igbo. Ukwuani is Igbo, and Igbo is one. Ukwuani people should support Senator Nwoko. Let's actualize Anioma state and zone it to southeast. We Ukwuani people are Igbo people. We want Anioma state. Federal hospital na not get, state hospital na not get, federal university na not get, state university na not get, light na not get, road na not get, nothing. The worst part say you want Ukwuani state, make Urhobo people dey part of Ukwuani state, make Isoko dey part of Ukwuani state, make Ika dey part of Ukwuani state. Say, whoa, this guy knows, right? Not get sense. We Ukwuani people, let's support Senator Nwoko and make sure that Anioma state is being actualized and zoned to the southeast. The good Ukwuani sons and daughters should disregard this set of Ukwuani people that don't have sense. Anioma state is a goal, and Anioma state must be actualized and zoned to the southeast for us to coexist with our Igbo brothers. Igbo Bofu, Ishiawale.